Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Titan Reviews. We're diving deep into one of the most anticipated releases in the drone world, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This drone is set to revolutionize aerial photography and videography with its cutting edge features, sleek design, and incredible value. Whether you're an experienced drone pilot or just getting started, the Mini 5 Pro has something to offer. In this video, we'll explore its advanced camera system, extended flight time, generous internal storage, and competitive pricing, making it a top contender for the best drone of 2024. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just another drone. It's a leap forward in drone technology, particularly when it comes to its camera system. At its core is a powerful 1-inch sensor, which is a significant upgrade from previous models. This sensor enables the Mini 5 Pro to capture stunning 4K footage at an impressive 60 frames per second, FPS. Whether you're filming fast-paced action or serene landscapes, this drone ensures that your footage is both smooth and sharp. The 1-inch sensor is a game changer, allowing for incredible clarity and dynamic range in your photos and videos. This upgrade makes the Mini 5 Pro an excellent choice for content creators who demand high-quality imagery. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or low-light conditions, this sensor adapts to deliver the best possible results, minimizing noise and capturing vivid colors. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its built-in 8 gigabytes of internal storage. This addition is a first for DJI's Mini series, and it offers users the freedom to capture more content without worrying about external storage options. One of the most attractive aspects of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its competitive pricing. Expected to be priced between $700 and $800, this drone offers a wealth of advanced features at a price that won't break the bank. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just about specs, it's also about design. DJI has managed to pack all these advanced features into a compact, lightweight frame that's easy to transport and fly. The Mini 5 Pro's design emphasizes portability without sacrificing power, making it the ideal companion for travel and outdoor adventures. As we've seen, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is packed with features that make it one of the most exciting drones of 2024. From its advanced camera system and extended flight time to its competitive pricing and intelligent flight modes, this drone offers a lot of value for its price. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to capture stunning aerial footage or a professional seeking a reliable and portable drone, the Mini 5 Pro is definitely worth considering. So, is the DJI Mini 5 Pro worth it? Absolutely. With its combination of power, portability, and price, it's set to become a favorite among drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. If you're in the market for a new drone, the Mini 5 Pro should be at the top of your list.